afternoon, everyone. Respected Suresh Panda sir, Sanjeev Panda sir, and everyone present over here. My name is Ranjita Linga. I was born in Ikkadal, Cuttack. Then I was raised up in different places in India because my father was in army. So I've been to Punjab, Gujarat, and at the end I came back to Cuttack. Uh, my inspiration to come in civil service came from my father because the discipline that he has shown, that I have inculcated in myself also. The adaptability that I have learned in army background, that we can be adapting in any situation. That inspired me a lot, and right now my brother is also in army. He is posted in Ladakh. Previous year was my first attempt. There I got 233 rank, and I am posted as additional district welfare officer in sub collector office Fulbani Kandhamal. And this, I was more interested in administrative service, so I again gave civil service exam. And this year I got 38, and hopefully I will get Odisha administrative service. And one more thing, I want to give special thanks to my mother because I was not very much acquainted with Odia language, but she taught me Odia from scratch, from starting from holding that Varnavada book in my hands to writing full essays of 5 to 6 pages in exam. Whenever I used to go to sleep at night, my mother used to wake up at that time, and she used to say that even if you are little bit dizzy, I will speak out some Odia words, and by that time you will able to learn more thing in Odia and will be able to give exam in a good way. One more thing I want to say. I've learned one thing that before coming to this service, I've learned one thing that कि लोक सब कहते कि माने आम सोशल वर्क जमती करूँ किसी भी केतले इटा एमते गोटे सर्विस कि आमको सोशल वर्क करक मिलुची आ प्लस गवर्नमेंट इज आल्सो पेइंग अस इटा बहुत बड़ा जिनस मोते एक्चुअली फील करिछि मु एबे सर्विस रे रही कि मते लागे कि मते एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ मते सैलरी भी मिलुची ता सहित मते एते भलो काम भी करक मिलुची जेटा कि आ आमे आंसर राइटिंग रे आमे इथर हमरा गोटे सब्जेक्ट ऐड हेछि एथिक्स जो कि आम बहुत बड़ बड़ वर्ड्स लिखो कि सिविल सर्वेंट को एडेप्टिबिलिटी हवा कथा ट्रांसपेरेन्सी आने कथा ओपननेस हवा कथा बट आम जो रियल लाइफ रे से काम करूँ तो आम इम्प्लीमेंट करूँ आम से टाइम सेल्फिश हो जाओ आम देखू कि ओके ठीक है आम छुट्टी नहीं जावा यहाँ करदे से तो स्लो ही चले आम सेमती मानि बसचु मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम मु जॉइन कली ऑफिस रे तो मु 10टार ऑफिस आसली देखली ऑफिस रे किए भी ना मत मो पीएन आसी कहले कि मैम 10:30 पर आसते तो जल्दी कहीं आसुँच तो मु नेक्स्ट दिन 10:30 रे गली तो मत पापा से दिन कहले कि किए भी न जाओ किंतु तू 10टार जीव ऑफिस तू चेंज आणबू तू जोटा अगर नॉर्मल चले आस तू से चेंज करू मुझे शिखिली और मुझे ट्राए करी बहुत चेंजेस आने थैंक यू।